Today we will show you a magical face pack. In this video you will see how to naturalize your skin. So let's start. Fast, take 1 tablespoon honey in a bowl. Raw honey doesn't whiten skin but can brighten and even out your natural skin tone by gently exfoliating dead skin cells and reducing the appearance of dark spots over time. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil does not whiten skin but can help improve its radiance, even out tone, and reduce the appearance of dark spots by deeply moisturizing and providing antioxidants. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Sugar does not lighten skin tone, but it can improve its appearance by exfoliating dead skin cells, resulting in a brighter, healthier-looking glow. Add amount of lemon juice. Lemon can be used for skin whitening due to its high citric acid and vitamin C content, but it must be diluted and used with caution to avoid skin irritation, sensitivity, and potential for increased pigmentation. Then mix well. Apply this scrub to your face using circular motions. Be gentle around your eyes and around your nose and leave it on for about 5 minutes. Then rinse your skin with cool water. Pat dry and apply a thick moisturizer for an extra glow. If you have any leftover scrub, massage it onto your hands to get rid of rough patches.